Hello and welcome back. This lesson uses slow and simple English. Let's start. Today we are cleaning the house. In the morning, I look around my room. It is a little messy. I decide it is time to clean. First, I open the windows. Fresh air comes into the room. Then, I start with small things. I put my clothes in the closet. I organize my desk. Next, I clean the floor. I use a vacuum to remove dust. After that, I wipe the table and shelves. Everything starts to look neat and tidy. Cleaning takes time, but it feels good. I feel more relaxed in a clean space. I also play some music while cleaning. It makes the work more enjoyable. When I finish, I take a short break. I look around and feel proud of my work. A clean home brings a calm mind. Now, I will say some sentences. This is a great way to practice and learn. Please repeat after me. I clean my room. I clean my room. I open the window. I open the window. I organize my things. I organize my things. I wipe the table and shelves. I wipe the table and shelves. I organize my desk. I organize my desk. My room looks nice. My room looks nice. Well done. Keep going and you will improve your English every day. Thank you for listening. This is Daily Easy English. See you in the next lesson.